Mona, what are you doing? Gotta get my rolls off. Here she comes. Hi, baby. Hi. Hi. Mona. Mona. You're such a good girl. Looks like a big camel nose, doesn't it? What a pretty girl. What a pretty girl. Where are you going, Mona? Mona. Hey, get back here. Mona. Mona. Oscar. There she is. Isn't she beautiful? It's like a horse. Kinda. Hey! Okay, now we gotta, yeah, it's over.